Package includes you will receive 3 PCs French tips nail cutter with individually wrapped, 1 handle precision knife and 5 spare cutting blades. 27 different sizes can meet your unlimited needs for French manicure. High quality Our French nail cutter toolkits are used for acrylic nails. They are made of high-quality waterproof stainless steel to create a clean line for French nails. It can be used with acrylic or nail polish. According to the shape you want, use the trimmer template to achieve it, which is very easy to use and makes a nice finished look. Best partner The French tip cutting knife is light in weight and easy to carry. The aluminum knife handle is equipped with a non-slip handle for a more stable grip, more convenient for carved your nails. It also has a cover to protect you from injury when not in use. Widely used The French nail cutter has precise cutting and can create cool nails. The cutting knife can not only carve nails, but you can also easily cut various materials and cut boxes, saving you time and effort. Usefulness and diversity Different styles of French cutters can help you add straight lines, semicircular lines, curves, V-lines and so on, so that you can make your favorite styles at home. It is also a practical tool for salons, beauty salons, and nail schools. Nice gifts to girls. Top reviews from the United States. Great tool. I saw a video with this particular tool being used during a nail service and it has made it so much easier when cutting out space etc.